How many images can Gemini generate for free in a day? I tested it, let's go. 9 a.m., logged into Gemini, no paid features, timer started. First batch, simple prompts, high quality, about 1 minute per image. I screen recorded every render, marking timestamps and saving each download. At noon I pushed complex scribble-style landscapes and character scenes. By 3 p.m. queues slowed, generation still worked but latency climbed. At 6 p.m. Gemini began returning try later 4 new free requests. Final count, 120 downloadable images processed free in a single day. Image quality stayed solid until the final 30, which showed glitches. Tips: stagger prompts, use smaller resolutions for drafts, avoid upscaling. Conclusion: expect about 100 to 150 free images per day depending on server load. Subscribe for the full log, downloadable timestamps, and my prompt pack. Test it and tell me your count.